स्टेलर अकॅडमीन स्टेलर टॅलंट सर्च परीक्षा 2024 घडोवन हाडल्या. 22 सप्टेंबराक परीक्षा जातली म्हणून स्टेलर अकादमीचो संचालक योगेंद्र सिंग सिकरवार उलयलो. 7वी ते 12वीच्या भुरग्यां खातीर खंय ही परीक्षा.
Hello everyone. Stellar Academy is announcing the Stellar Talent Search Examination 2024. This exam will be conducted on 22nd of September across the more than 10 centers in Goa, in which more than 6,000 students will be participating. These students will be of standard 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. With ETSE, students get the opportunity first to identify their rank across pan Goa level, that where do they stand in their respective classes. Apart from that, they also get the opportunity to avail scholarship up to 100% in our classroom programs. With ETSE, students will also get the participation certificate with their rank list, and other than that, they will also get career counseling by our staff, so that they will be able to identify that what is their strength, what are their weaknesses, and which career options will be better for them. So I want all the parents of Goa to enroll their kids who are in 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th and 11th, 12th standard, and as well as school also to encourage their students so that they can get benefited. Thank you so much and participate maximum.